Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut. Welcome to the Holy Land, the Sedona Vortex. Got my man Ben Steezy and his world premiere of Master My Chi, hip hop and herbalism. Ben, what do you got, baby?
Oh man, I'm so excited to premiere this video for you guys. You know, I actually made this a couple years ago when I dropped my album Street Bangers and Bitter Herbs. You can go check that out right now on Spotify and all the other major streaming platforms. But this song is really special to me because it's all about my connection with tonic herbs and functional mushrooms and botanicals that I use every day in my life to thrive, survive, electrify, and ignite my soul on fire. So me and Troy are out here in the sacred land on Sedona's land. We're gonna be in Phoenix on Thursday. That's gonna be the 10th of February.
And that's a mixture of your homies that dance with the Lego lights and the whole nine.
Yeah, we got the Sacred G's on deck where they're gonna be in the LED suits. So it'll be an LED dance
Sacred
performance.
G's in the LED suits.
That's right. You know, Troy's on it. He's gonna be dancing and vibing down there with us. And from 4 to 8, it's a free event for the whole community at Tempe Town Lake in Tempe, Arizona, right outside of Phoenix. What we're going to be doing down there is we're going to be doing a free community yoga event from 4 to 8, and then we're going to do the LED light suit performance with me performing Master My Chi, a couple of my other songs, and emceeing the end of the night. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited for all the psycho chickens to be out there.
And I'm excited for this world premiere. If you like hip hop and herbalism, drop a comment in the box. Take it away, Steez!
Yo, yo, yo! Master My Chi world premiere in 3, 2, 1!
Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. I got 22 reishi on my dresser, yes sir. Sipping gynostemma tea. I got a bag of this astragalus, that interleukin 4 receptor antagonist. Plus I'm munching on some cordyceps, so I'm never short of breath. Allow me to go more in depth. It's the fungus that my lungs just love, for the function of relaxing my bronchial walls every time I munch them. Yes, you know I wants them. Yes, you know I loves them. Yes, I got a bunch of medicinal mushrooms I've been pushing. Turkey tail to keep me well, lion's mane for my brain. And the Garricus will carry us. Plus I pop Mataki right before I get on a plane. Reishi spores with the crack cell wild. Try to take my chaga away, I tell them hell nah. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Scoop a husher woo in my morning brew. I'm jinged up from the feet up, man, I thought you knew. Slip on my tennis shoes, I could run a marathon. Sipping on the same tonic herbs as Genghis Khan. The junk in my long stocks, the stench that I'm on. Dragon drop so sweet underneath my tongue. You say you number one, I'm on a straggler side 4. Do my morning yoga, watch my telomeres grow. I'm eating velvet antler, never hurt the deer though. Guess you could say that I really do love my dough. I'm on a lot of superfoods, I think I got a problem. Baby calf can get it first, but give me that colostrum. Serve it up with pancakes made with pine pollen and Erewhon shoppers. Definition of ballin' at the tonic bar, sipping green juices, spirulina, E3 live algae. Let me do this. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Far as rapping goes, I got more flavor than Shazandra. My flow a Luthero, adaptogenic, anti-cancer. My opus is to be the dopest MC on either coast. That's not sipping codeine, only lean on cardenopsis. Losing focus, here's the cornice in my eagle vision. Lyceum up in your eyes again so that you can see the distance. I got pearls, they ain't on my girl's neck though. There ain't an elixir that helps my mind let go. Stress-free at ease, every piece of my mind's at peace. Any signs of disease, just cease, anxiety's breach. I was sick and tired crying, I ain't trying to preach, cause I could be in my mind, but my mind isn't me.
But my mind isn't me.
Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Awaken my shin, replenish my jing, master my chi. Sipping Ghana stemate, sipping Ghana stemate. Scoop a husha woo in my morning brew. Sipping Ghana stemate, scoop a husha woo in my morning brew. Sipping Ghana stemate, scoop a husha woo in my morning brew. Sipping Ghana stemate, sipping Ghana stemate. Sipping Ghana stemate, sipping Ghana stemate.